Hello.
Hello. Hi, Barry.
Yes, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you, my friend?
I'm fantastic.
What is up, OFP Nation? It is Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. We are halfway through the first week of September, and we've got some pairs to look at today. Are you ready, Barry?
Yes, most definitely.
What is up, Humphrey? How are you? Where are you tuning in from today? Feel free to let us know where you are watching from today. Hello, Agostinho. We'll give it another minute. Hello, Nigeria. Welcome. It is so lovely to see all of you today. And Uganda, I love it. Hello, is it Butch? Butchie 4X? Butcher. Hello. I'm gonna I'm gonna show all your lovely faces so that everybody, I know where you're from, Agostinho. Angola. Wonderful. All right, so we are going to go ahead and we are going to dive into the analysis. Take a look at some of those pairs we looked at on Sunday and see where they're at right now. And then, of course, you know the drill, guys. You are so welcome after the analysis to share your favorite pairs with us and we could look at them together. Barry, are you
Yes, I'm
ready?
here. Yeah.
You're supposed to say, I was born ready.
Yes, I was born ready.
I was, I was, I was born ready. All right, Barry, I'm gonna hand it over to you.
All right. One moment. Okay. So let us first start with gold. So with gold, I anticipated a drop to the support level that is right here. So we have reached there, surprisingly, very fast. And we are currently waiting for a break of this downward trend right here, which indeed happened just like a few hours ago. Then from there, we'll look for the market to break at least above 2510, 2507, 2510, somewhere here. So we're looking for a break above here. That is when we shall actually look to buy gold going to the upside, probably even going all the way to 2600, because that's where I'm seeing gold to probably go to. But as for now, we'll just continue watching it because I still feel that we are gonna have more downward movement to the downside, probably aiming for this level over here at 2420. So that's what I am seeing for the coming days and weeks. But as of now, we do nothing. We're just watching the market. Next on our list is US dollar Mexican. US dollar Mexican, we had sub-use today. And we're still in the same area as we were on Sunday. So there hasn't been really any movement because it seems we're already at this resistance. But we may actually come all the way up here to 2020 and fill it up, then probably start to come down to our first level here and probably here as well. So many levels to fill up. So I'm still seeing a lot of potential for Mexican peso. Then let's move over to dollar yen. Dollar yen, we got stopped out. Surprisingly, yeah, we broke above here, but we didn't really like hold on much. Then we got stopped out right here. This is where the stop loss was. We're aiming for the upside there. So this was like a good 5-1, but it didn't really go so well. So it got stopped out, and then the market just kept on moving all the way to the downside. And that's still fine. We'll look for another opportunity. Same with pound yen. Pound yen, of course, we did hit our take profit, which was somewhere around here. Then the market immediately started reversing. So also looking for an opportunity on pound yen for the coming days and weeks. Then last but not least is CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss, we seem to still be moving in the consolidation. Right now we're in a loss, we're in a slight profit, but we shall see what happens afterwards. Oh, and that wasn't last but not least. We also have to look at euro dollar. So because of news, we actually came and slightly almost touched our stop loss, but our stop loss area is just right above here, so we may actually go right through it, or the market will just come crashing down, coming down here, especially since we've got NFP coming up. I'm not too sure, but overall that's what I am seeing. It's still holding, so we just hope that it will continue to the downside. Let's also look at US 30. US 30 broke right here, and yeah, it broke the trend line. It also broke the support there, came all the way down, filled this candle over there, and we seem to be slightly rejecting over here, rejected, but I think we're going to come all the way to the downside, probably coming down to here. Then maybe we can look for a buy opportunity. As of now, there isn't really anything to do. There's not even a reason to draw a trend line here because nothing really has set up until maybe we make a new low coming down all the way here. Then we can start to see some upward movement. Then we can probably buy it going to the upside. Let's also look at NAS 100 and see where we are, though I know we are not going nowhere still. So NAS 100 came all the way down over here. So for now, I do see us coming back to this area over here at 18,250, then maybe bounce from here going back to the upside. And it should be a very good discount once it comes down here, because then the risk would have reduced for what we're entering in, and then we can go all the way to the upside. So those are literally all the pairs we had to look at and review for today. Any other pair that you'd like us to look at? All right. Humphrey's asking the background to be white because he cannot see, and also the resolution. He says, okay, Augustino says the resolution isn't so good. On my end, it seems to be all right, as long as you can like see the charts as well. But for the background, yeah, sure. For the next one, we'll definitely change it to white so that you can be able to see everything more clearly. But yeah, for now, it's still gonna be in this dark mode. And yeah, I may change it later on. Yeah, so any pairs or questions that you may have apart from resolution and also the background? Yeah, any questions or pairs that you'd like us to look at? Okay, Augustino, Bitcoin and dollar index. You love your dollar index, don't you? Right. So let's actually look at dollar index. So just give it some time to load. Then we get right into it. So USDX. All right, so with dollar index, of course, we broke this trend line, broke the resistance there. We started moving slightly up, then we got a rejection to the downside. But yeah, we may actually continue with upside movement from there. We may call it quits if we go probably below this support level on dollar index. But as of now, we seem to still be holding until maybe we go beyond this support level. Then Bitcoin seems to be down today, according to what I saw. Yeah, we didn't really go beyond this what can I say, resistance level. We just touched it, then started crashing all the way down and just basically broke the structure altogether. So for now on Bitcoin, we would probably draw a trend line like this, but no, not really, because this whole structure was broken. There was a trend line here, it broke to the upside and came all the way down and made a new low. So we'll just wait for probably this market to probably come again and make a new low. That seems more likely than it coming all the way up and reaching the top. That's what I'm saying with Bitcoin. So there are two scenarios here. It can quickly come all the way up, breach 60,000, then go all the way up to 65, or it can make a new low, go below 55,000, and probably come all the way to this support level that's here. So it can make a new low, and then from there we can draw a trend line. Once it breaks that trend line, breaks also the resistance level, then we can see some more upside movement. But overall, this looks like a downward trend that seems to be strong, where we moved down, consolidated, moved down as well. So we may actually be making a new low very soon. That's what I'm anticipating on Bitcoin for this moment in time. Yeah. So that's what I am currently seeing. Any other questions or pairs that you would like us to look at? So I know that won't be ideal. Let's see. Is it changing the?
Did you look at I can't remember. Did you look at Aussie CAD?
Aussie CAD?
Yeah, but did you look at that one?
Not Aussie CAD.
Yeah.
Oh no, we haven't looked at it. We haven't looked at it.
Okay. We do have a request to look at it
Okay.
when you have a moment.
Right. No, let me not do these chart thingies, but let me move the grid because it seems the grid is getting in the way. I hope this is clear enough for everyone. Yeah. Okay. The grid should be. This will be new to me because I don't really like white behind, but either ways. Yeah, so with Aussie CAD, we seem to have been moving up. And again, also Canadian interest rate was cut today. So right now, what I am seeing with Aussie CAD, we already have the trend line which can be drawn from here to here. And let's just make that black. Yeah, so there's a trend line here which has gotten broken on Aussie CAD. So what we'd actually be looking for is this resistance level over here getting broken to the upside. Maybe that's what we can be looking for longs. But right now, as the market always does, it is always looking to make new lows. So if that doesn't happen, the resistance doesn't get broken, we'll probably make a new low, then look to see what we can do from there. But if we do breach the resistance level over here, we may actually be looking to make a new high right above 9197. So that's what I'm saying. But with the cut of the interest rate, yeah, we may actually see some strength going to the downside, most likely, and aiming for this pin bar over here. This is a really big pin bar. It was actually a book that I read where they actually talked about pin bars, and they called this something. I'd have to look back into it. But they did say also the same thing, that this type of pin bars with extremely long wicks, do get attracted by the market, like to be filled or something. So it was only 50% filled, but of course, because of the cut in interest rate, if we do make a new low, then we'll probably be looking to take out this low at 88,500. But if not, if we do push back to the upside, we'll be looking to take out the previous high around 0.92. That's what I'm actually seeing on Aussie CAD. Anything else? Um, okay. Dollar index is a mess. Other pairs in my chart, I'm always with my eyes on it. Yes, Augustino, yeah. Dollar index is pretty much the same with euro dollar. That's what I can say. If you look at euro dollar and also dollar index, they seem to be doing the same thing. That's why I say there's going to be a short on euro dollar, but it seems it wants to take out our stop loss even when we recently entered into it. But we're yet to see what happens afterwards. But we're still holding till, yeah, it shows us something. So, Humphrey, you say the chart looks nice now. Okay, great to know that. And Ahmed wants us to look at pound dollar. Let's look at pound dollar. So we're just reviewing quickly as possible. So, okay, these are so green right now. So I have to change these colors to black since we have changed like the whole chart thingy. Right. Okay. So on Sunday, we actually talked about this being broken, the trend line. And of course, this support level was also broken. So we don't even need to draw that. So we were looking to go further with pound dollar coming to the downside over here. So we are still looking to short this market on pound dollar. So anticipate that, especially with the news coming tomorrow, we may actually see maybe some dollar strength in these coming few days, especially for NFP. So watch that. And this area over here is an area that we're looking to actually breach, coming all the way down. Let me just, okay, yeah, this area right here is where we are interested in getting in as a take profit area. So that's what we're watching for pound dollar. Pound dollar, we are just looking for shorts at this moment, not going long, but shorts because we already had indication here to sell. Right. Any other pairs, questions? What about urea? Euro Kiwi?
Yeah, you could. I mean, I'm not trading Euro Kiwi. I just got out of GU.
Oh, okay.
But yeah,
Those
either
are
or.
still those are still steam in GU.
Right? Wait. Agostinho's funny. What did you say?
Yeah, I
No,
wasn't seeing Agustino's comment there.
no,
You
no, it's
start buying
okay.
those guys.
I'll
Yes, but
respond to him in the comments.
okay. So I was talking about pound dollar. Pound dollar still has some steam. I still see some steam coming up with pound dollar, but to be safe, we'll probably be looking for a break below this support, then maybe that's when the market will start to move further down to the downside. So that's what I'm actually seeing with pound dollar. If you maybe want to re-enter, so maybe trying to look to draw a trend line on pound dollar can actually give you an opportunity to short it, even on a lower time frame, to short it, going to the downside and aiming for that area down there. So Euro Kiwi, you're not interested in us looking at it?
I mean, you can. I think
Okay.
I think I did mark it up. I just
Okay,
can't.
we have bounced off this area. That's one thing for sure. And we're looking good. So we can just draw a trend line over here. So since we bounced off this area, a good trend line would be ideal here. So from here, oh no, I didn't draw it properly. So a trend line from here going over here. This was a very steep trend line that got broken nicely. So this was a break. We already at this resistance level over here on Euro Kiwi, which was here. We are touching it, but if we do breach right above this resistance level, then come all the way here, then I guess maybe we'll also be seeing ourselves back up here at 1.84. That's what I'm actually saying with Euro QE. Like we still have some more upside movement than downside actually on Euro QE. So that's what I'm seeing at this time. Okay. I think oil had a good movement. What to expect next? Okay, let's actually look at oil because I remember on Sunday someone was looking at, it was talking about oil, by the way. Oh, oil has moved strongly to the downside. Yeah, but right now there is this trend line that has not yet been breached, but we supposed to actually draw a new trend line because it's made new lows. So the trend line would be this one, but it's a little bit too steep for my liking. I would rather prefer this trend line, which is over here. This would be like a better trend line that I would say I would want broken. But either ways, if we do breach this trend line, I would want to see this resistance broken. Then we can probably look to long the oil going to upside because oil has just been free falling for months now. If we look back, it's just been falling from this high in April, just going to all the way to the downside. But has also been free falling since last year, October. So it seems to already be making a new low from its previous October, September levels. We're already in September, so oil just seems like it just wants to make new lows for last year and also this year. But yeah, maybe we might actually bounce off this previous low of last year and start to move the upside because that's what I'm actually just hoping to see with oil is more upside movement actually. So for now, just doing nothing on oil, just watching it. That's all I can say. Yeah. Right. Any other questions or pairs you'd like us to look at?
Agostino said, I think oil had good movement. What to expect next?
Yeah, well, actually, from um, just discussing that.
Oh,
That's
you did?
the chart, which is actually on of oil. Yeah,
Okay, my bad.
yeah. But anything else? Because we've actually gone longer than usual. We usually do Wednesdays less than 20 minutes, but we seem to have gone a little bit beyond. Yeah. But either way, thank you everyone for your support and for giving us some pairs to look at. We hope you are ready for the week, especially for NFP that's coming. So now I guess I can talk about what is coming for this NFP. So still stay on the line right now. Maybe Ria, you want to talk about it?
About NFP?
Yeah, on Friday, what we're gonna be doing.
I mean, this is your thing more than it is mine, but you're the one who's so excited about it.
So we'll be giving away an OFP instant funding account, everyone. So to actually be involved, just like last month NFP, we gave out a 50% discount. So this time we're actually giving out an account. We won't mention the account size just yet, but we will mention on is it like Thursday? Yeah, I should think so. Thursday. So, which is tomorrow. So we will be actually giving away an account, an OFP account. And all you just need to do is to vote for what you are to expect for NFP numbers, if it will be better than expected, uh, as expected, or worse than expected. So those are just the three answers you need to choose from in the poll. Then we'll pick out one lucky person to get the instant funded account. So yes, yes, yes. Get involved. Go to our Discord, and yeah, you'll find the channel over there. Yeah, where we're gonna announce the same giveaway, and also the winner will be announced live. We'll be actually checking the numbers live on Friday during NFP. So you have to be all available on that day, and then we'll choose a winner from there live. We just spin the wheel and the like. Yeah. So make sure that you are ready for that. Yeah. Right, Ria, I guess I am done here. I didn't make it sound so exciting as you do, but
Yeah, whoop whoop. So exciting. All
yeah,
right,
that's what
guys.
I like. That's what I like. No, I can't do that. Are the only one who can make it sound also juicy. Yeah,
Yeah.
like it's yeah, basically that. Uh-huh.
Maybe it's the feminine energy in me. I don't know. But
Must be.
all right,
I don't
everybody.
disagree.
We appreciate all of you so much for being here with us. And we look forward to seeing you guys on the live on Friday. So we will be live Friday to see what the NFP results are and to announce our winner of the giveaway. So just stay tuned for that. And then, yeah, we'll see you guys soon.